Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do a gender swap to change the gender from male to female on the CapCut apps. So here, if you want to do that, first you need to use a photo. So this feature or effect cannot be used on a video, so you can only use this feature for a photo. And in this case, I'm using a male photo. And what you need to do next is just click on the photo and then go to style and swipe on the category until you find the face swap option. Okay, so in here, swipe again to the left until you find the gender swap. So to change it from male to female, click on the first one, and just like that, the gender will be swapped like this. It will change into a female. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Thank you.